What's up everybody, I'm Jessie and I'm here in the Harley Davidson garage. Today I'm going to show you these Harley Davidson audio powered by Rockford Fosgate Stage III speakers and kits. Increase the performance of your Harley Davidson audio system with these Stage III 4-speaker kits. Whether you have a street glide or a road glide, there is an option for your motorcycle. With the Harley Davidson audio powered by Rockford Fosgate 6.5-inch Stage III fairing speakers, the 6x9-inch Stage III saddlebag speakers, which are the largest and most powerful saddlebag speakers ever offered by Harley Davidson, as well as the 500-watt primary amplifier, you're guaranteed to turn heads as this audio system delivers incredible volume with ultra clear highs, super clean mids, and ground thumping bass. The Element Ready design is purpose-built for the harsh motorcycle environment. This audio system will stand the test of time, regardless of water, dirt, UV, or motorcycle vibration. The Harley Davidson audio powered by Rockford Fosgate products are garage ready in most cases. Following installation, simply configure your new system using the Skyline OS touchscreen prompts. These kits include the Performance Red Stage III trim rings and grille inserts, as well as all installation hardware. The speakers are available as complete kits with fairing and saddlebag lid speakers, or as individual components to match your needs. Please note that the saddlebag speakers will require a separate purchase of color-matched saddlebag speaker lids. Check the website to make sure these Stage III audio kits fit your model, road glide, or street glide. For this and any other genuine Harley Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley Davidson dealer. That's it from me, your favorite Australian. I'll see you again next time.